Hey guys, it's Giridhar here, and today I have a neckband wireless Bluetooth earphone for review. This one is called the Oppo Enco M31. Quite a mouthful, but a very interesting piece of technology. So without further ado, let's get into it. The box packaging is simple, and you can see that I've got the green color. It is also available in black color, but I prefer this emerald green color, which is quite different. On the package, you can clearly say that this one supports LDAC and high-res audio. At the back, it also says that it has a 9.2mm titanium speaker. And there is also an AI uplink noise cancellation for calls. Opening up this box, inside you would find a neatly packed Oppo Enco M31. Along with these earphones, you get a Type-C cable for charging, ear tips in 2 different sizes, user manual and a warranty card. The design of this M31 is quite unique. I like the design because it looks very sleek and slender, yet very sturdy. The top half, which is actually the neckband, is made of good quality rubber material. It can be twisted, turned and coiled up and tossed into your bag. On one end of the neckband, you would find the battery housing, and the other end is the media control center. You would also find the USB Type-C charging port here. The media control center has 3 buttons. The button on the bottom is a multi-function button. This is used to play, pause music, attend calls, disconnect calls, and also switch to bass mode or balanced mode. The volume rockers can also jump tracks when long pressed. The emerald green color and the gold accent buttons looks really good. The color combination actually matches the Oppo Reno 10X mobile in all its green glory. The cables are of good quality, and the color they have chosen for this particular edition is fawn color. This combination looks elegant. The ear tips are completely made of plastic, but a very good grade plastic. The exposed side is glossy, and here again you would find a brass stone finished accent. Somehow this combination reminds me of the Paris Eclair Bonbon candy which I used to have as a kid. The ear tips given here are of good quality rubber material. The earbuds stick to each other by a magnet, but this magnet is not just for security, it's also functional. When attached together, the Bluetooth disconnects, and also whatever media you are playing pauses. The moment you separate the earphones, the Bluetooth connection resumes, but the media doesn't. I tried this with Oppo Reno 10X as well and also other mobiles, but still, like the OnePlus Bullets range of earphones, it doesn't resume the paused content. Overall, I find the build quality to be really good and also the design aesthetics to be very appealing. The fit and finish of the Oppo Enco M31 is top notch. The earbuds fit well into your ears and does not give you any kind of discomfort even when worn for long hours. You can comfortably wear it for a jogging workout, on your commute, or even at work. This is a very comfortable pair of earphones. Now let's talk about the audio quality. This one supports LDAC codec and also high-res audio. LDAC is a proprietary audio coding technology developed by Sony, which allows streaming high-resolution audio over Bluetooth connections at up to 990 kbps. In reality, these earphones sounds great. The bass is good, deep and distinct. But if you prefer extra bass, you can double tap the multifunction button to enter into bass mode. Even in the bass mode, the highs and lows are clear and distinct and separate. Not only you get a balanced frequency, the audio quality at various frequencies are crisp and clear. Every single instrument and word is clearly heard without any loss. This is one of the best earphones I have tested this year. These earphones are also good for calls. The person at the other end could hear me clearly without any background noise, and I could hear them clearly as well. All the Bluetooth earphones that are being launched in India recently have the low latency mode for gaming. Well, the Oppo Enco M31 does not have any specific low latency mode for gaming, but I did try playing PUBG and COD in this, and I found the lag to be really low. Unless you are an extreme professional gamer, these earphones are good enough to get you a chicken dinner. Oppo promises a 12 hours of battery life, but with my usage at over 50% or 60% of volume, I got over 14 hours of battery life on a single charge. A 10-minute charge can give you up to 3 hours of playback, but to get these earphones fully charged, it has to be plugged in for at least 1 hour. Overall, the Oppo Enco M31 is a pleasing set of earphones to use. This is one of the best earphones I have tested in the recent times. In fact, I have also tested the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, and I find this Enco M31 to be marginally better than the OnePlus Wireless Z. But there is one slight advantage for the Bullets Wireless Z. If you are a gamer, the Wireless Z offers you a low latency mode for that engaging gaming experience. But if you are an audiophile, a music lover, or someone like me who prefers high quality audio, the Oppo Enco M31 is a fantastic purchase. If you like to buy these earphones, it is available on Amazon for a price of Rs 1999. Buy links are below in the description. On your way to the description, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like this video if you really liked it. Until I catch up with you in the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.